Okay, this is my submission for the Chapter 21 video assignment number 1. So this assignment, the prompt is that a dang old rock, not just an old rock, but a dang old rock, was found to contain 5.51 milligrams of uranium-238 and 1.63 milligrams of lead-206. And we are to determine the age of the dang old rock. So first of all, for part A, we are asked to assume that all lead-206 came from uranium-238 decay, and 0.001 moles of lead-206 weighs 206 milligrams, and 0.001 moles of lead-206 weighs 206 milligrams, and 0.001 moles of uranium-238 weighs 230 milligrams. So, conversion there, how much did the 1.63 milligrams of lead-206 weigh when it was uranium-238? So we are able to use this shortcut that we learned in class from the last problem of Chapter 21 review. So here we take the 1.63 milligrams of lead, and then we say, okay, we have 238 milligrams of uranium or 206 milligrams of lead. These are the isotopes. And we multiply that out and we get 1.88 milligrams. And that is how much the 1.63 milligrams of lead-206 weighed when it was uranium-238. For part B, we are asked what was the total mass of uranium-238 originally in the rock. Okay, so here, this is what we're given, the 5.51 milligrams. That's what was found. That's what was found in the dang old rock. And then this is what was found from its decay. Just the problem that we barely did in part A. Add those up, we get 7.39. That's the total original mass in milligrams. Now part C, given the half-life of uranium-238, what is the rate constant, K, of the nuclear decay in units of year to the power of -1, or rather, something over years. So here we're going to use this equation, K equals natural log of 2 over our half-life of uranium-238, which we found in Appendix M, and that gives us 1.55 times 10 to the -10th over years. Now last, but certainly not least, in part, if I can get my page to turn. Okay, now last but not least, part D, we are asked how old is the dang old rock? We're going to use this equation and we're going to solve for T. So we know that we initially had a total original mass of 7.39 milligrams. 5.51 milligrams is what was found. And this was our K value, well, negative K value. And then doing some algebra, there we go. Doing some algebra, we solve for T, and it is 1.89 times 10 to the 9th years old. So that is my submission.